This is the best body of work I've ever seen on a jury.
It was exciting to see so much innovation coming together from different sides of the economy and society, and I think particularly from someone who comes from the enterprise and the innovation world that typically comes from technology. Here it was nice to see large agencies, large companies, brands, as well as innovation from startups coming together to provide great solutions for countries, for problems, and helping brands on the way. So very interesting.
I guess we get a shortcut to the best work in the world over 2 days. We get to sit and watch amazing presentations. I think
we had robots and chopsticks and all sorts of crazy shit. It was sort of amazing. The only thing I was missing was a selfie stick. I can't believe someone didn't enter the selfie stick.
I think that innovation should be simple, and what we're rewarded is the simplicity of bringing lots of different things together and looking quite often in the problem. The solution was in the problem of all these kind of things that we awarded.
Simple ideas in the service of people and communities. That's what made a difference. And the fact that the jury, unlike an advertising jury, there were no big egos. No, people were just interested in what was actually going to work. And again, unlike advertising juries, it's not about what you say, it's about the actions of the company. And those speak so much louder than any other form of cause.
What inspired you?
Everyone inspired me. It's a big challenge for discussion with English and thinking about what is innovation. It's a great 3 days, I think. Thank you.
Relying on this.
What if it tells me Ben's my wife? I see the connection.
Yeah, from a consumer standpoint, it's like we've got telecom.
And we are very excited to be able to share this innovation with you. And
maybe people, simple ideas, but the thing that really inspired me is the technology that it will break the world. Thank you.
Yeah.
Anything else?
One of the key criteria is to really inspire others to go out and do big things. And I think that's part of the process here, is to award attempt to doing that will inspire other folks, other companies to pursue in the future as well. So it was a great process.
Outstanding.
There's very little room for error, something like that.
Yeah. Well, I was inspired at many levels. I think simplicity, I think sometimes we overthink technology. We get into all the granular details when in fact what I saw was, kind of brilliant use of very simple technology against really, really good insights. I think that's what really rose things to the top, and I was also just inspired to be surrounded by great, accomplished, creative people, high levels of debate. There's nothing like the debate. It actually puts your assumptions to the torture test, and ultimately you get to a much better place, but absolutely amazing experience.
And
what I think is important is not only that you recognize that systematic thinking is creative, it's not executional, it's not technical, it's creative. That's very important, but more important, I think, is to recognize both of those ways of thinking as two hemispheres of a brain, and that when you get them together and they're sort of lateralized, then you have something bigger and better and more interesting, and that there's a sort of interesting symbiosis.